Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to do this beautiful mold. I have an idea, don't know if it's going to work, but I want to use some neon mica powders, and I want to use orange, coral, magenta, purple, red, and yellow. Okay, so we're going to start with the body with the purple. And got a couple paintbrushes here, and I have my switching sponge. Don't know how this is going to look or turn out, but none of us really do. So I am going to start painting this mica, or this powder, I don't know if it's mica, into the body portion of the fish. And then I'll probably time-lapse this because this is going to take a while. And then once I get the body done, I will come in with the next color. Oh, and I already have the eyes put in. So we will see how that goes. If they stay in there. If they don't, I'll figure out something else for the eyes. Okay, I am going to go in with the magenta. I'm going to open it first. I am going to take a little bit of the purple. Because what touches the mold first, that is the color that will be seen. Okay. Now, let's work with the magenta. We're gonna blend some of that. See, there you go. That's what I want. I'm gonna come up the sides. I gotta get a little bit more purple in there. There we go. Trying to blend it out a little bit because I don't want harsh lines. And I talk like I know what the heck I'm doing, but you don't really. It's all trial and error. That's all this is. Okay, I'm going to get that purple off my brush on this side. Get some more of this in there and work our way out. I have some good news. My daughter and my granddaughters will be here early next month for a visit. I haven't seen them in so long. So excited. So excited. So we have 4 bedrooms in this house. And of course I have our master bedroom for my husband and I. And then this craft room is what used to be my son's bedroom. And then what used to be my daughter's bedroom, that is where I store all my molds and all my extra, like my resin and, you know, the stuff that we as crafters have. And I'm trying to get that out of there. And I'm putting it in my basement. I'm organizing it as I go. For my granddaughters, and then the 4th bedroom's up on the 3rd floor, and that's where my daughter is going to be staying with while she's here visiting. So a lot of work. So if I'm late putting out videos, or that is what is going on. See, that's got a lot of purple there. Get some of that purple off of there. Get some of that out of there. I'm gonna get some isopropyl alcohol and just spraying it on there. So I got too much purple. All right. All right. Clean the purple off the brush again. Go in with a little bit of the magenta. I can drag that purple out with the magenta. Now I'm just going to try and blend this. It's almost impossible to blend my powders on a mold. So I'm going to get my fluffy brush and I'm just going to swirl around and pick up some of that loose powder. And that's what we have so far. Okay, now we're going to go in with the red. And I hope I'm not making a mistake, but we're going to go in with it. Okay, I'm going to clean off my brush. And I just do it like this, and I'm doing it off to the side. So I don't want to breathe this stuff in. You hear my air purifier going, I apologize, but I do need it. Get that off of there. All right. Let's go in with some red. That's looking pretty. Again, I'm going to clean off my brush. And I'm going to go in with the coral. There's the coral. And let's see what we got here. You know what I forgot to do? That right there. So I'm going to have to go back in with the magenta on that one. Let me do that now. I don't know how I missed that, but I did. Magenta. Let me close this coral up. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, now we're going to go in with the orange. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the yellow. And that is One Bright Color Boy. Woo. Okay, I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm just going to basically go in circles. Pick that powder up. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and then I'm going to mix up some Bond Crafter Deep Pour Resin. So I will be back shortly. All right, let's see. I have 21 ounces of resin. I'm using the Bond Crafter Deep Pour Resin. And I used a white pigment paste. I'm just hoping that the pigment paste is mixed on the bottom because it just settled really quick on the bottom. So I'm going to set my spoon like that. Hopefully I'm not blocking the pour, but I can't help that. I just want to get the body poured. And come over here. I did not run this through my vacuum chamber. I did not heat up part A in a warm water bath. I don't know how much this mold holds. I've never poured it before. If I have to top it off, I will do that off camera. So we'll see. Looks like I might have enough. Yeah, if I have to top it off after this, I'll let it cure and come in with just a 1-to-1 and top it off that way. So there it is. I'm going to take my heat gun to it to pop any potential bubbles. So I will cover this up and I will see you for the demold. Okay, this has cured. I did top it off with, I think I got 3 ounces of Bondcrafter epoxy resin on top. So let's see what it looks like. Let's see if the eyeballs are in the right spot. See how that turns out. I have no idea. I've never unmolded this, so I don't know what to expect. Guess I could pull on these. I'll probably get this started and then come back. Okay. Let's see. Obviously have some mold to clean up. Not a problem. Now, all right, let's see what we got. Ready? Ooh. Ooh, that is so pretty. That is pretty. I might want to bling this up right here. The eye stayed in place. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Oh, wow, I really like it. Turned out so pretty. Prettier than I expected. I think I'm going to bling the fish part out. Let me go get that. I'll be right back. Okay, I am going to see how far I can get with these little 3mm little rhinestones. I don't think I want to get his face. I think I just want to get his body with the rhinestones. Yeah, so let me think about this and I'll be right back. Here is my betta fish. Didn't she turn out beautiful? She does remind me of a sunset. Absolutely gorgeous. I did use 2 different rhinestones. I was just going to go with just the pale purple ones, but I decided it was looking too flat, so I went with 2 different types of 2 different colors of rhinestones. I'll have a picture somewhere on the screen of what the fish looked like prior to adding the rhinestones. Let me know which one you like the most. I just think she turned out beautiful. So pretty. Very pretty. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're uncomfortable leaving me a comment, leave me a fish emoji. I really enjoy reading your comments. Your likes and your comments really help out my channel a lot. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. You have a great day and God bless. Bye.